Okay, today is 8:26 a.m. New York, 7:26 p.m. Indonesian time, Monday, March 18, 2024. Yeah, this was my analysis. Let's go to daily. So on daily, I have this weekly old highs, and this is the rejection block. Price seems to be reacting off this rejection block. This rejection block is also an order block in the daily time frame. We see reaction off of this. So if we're looking for bearishness, then I will put in my discount PD array. This will be text daily busy. Okay, now that we have that, price could use this to push higher, because daily looks like we are declining, even though the monthly and the weekly is bullish. Therefore, I can expect the weekly and the monthly level to hold. Price came off rejection block bearish, and if we are to be bearish, let me check weekly. This doesn't look bearish at all. It looks bullish. But we can expect a weekly PD array to hold price. Like this gap down here. Go daily. Okay. Guess we don't need the gap. We do have this daily busy. In my opinion, price could use this as our first target after reacting off this weekly rejection block. So now I'm going to the 4-hour chart. On USD Swiss C, we have this equal high liquidity pool. Go. So have relative equal lows down here as well. Red. Okay. So we have this two level. These are relative equal high, but since we went into premium bearish order block, we could see a price reaching to this low. Let's see something else. Okay, we have this outside bar, and this is a rejection block. Okay, I like that. You don't need the 4-hour. There's a gap in price. Huge one. Okay, go to the 1-hour. In the 1-hour, we see that big gap. I will only use this open gap. That will be a significant level. Okay. We can short here. As price reach this rejection block or this fair value gap, we can take a short, target this high, this low. There's also relatively low down here, which is Asian session range, 1 hour. Oops. Asian. There we go. Do have a fair value gap, CB, and a gap, I think a new week opening gap. So let's go to 15-minute charts. We'll use this level to frame our trade. This looks bearish. We made a high here at London session, 2 to 5 and 6, 7 right before. Okay, I like this. Midnight. And 8:30 is here. There's a CB here. Market structure shift. I'll use this breaker for shorts. If you can get price to go there or make a swing high. This will be 1 to 2 risk to reward. I'm gonna see price respecting here. We are in premium. If you want to sell, then this should be a great time to sell. So I have 9:30 right there. I'll wait until 9:30 and see what price does. Rejection block. market structure shift. That is the model that ICT teaches. We also have SMT at this high. That should be a strong high. While we wait, I'm going to analyze the monthly for ES. The weekly. I'm gonna use this one as my daily bullish OB. Because we have fair value gap. There goes our min threshold. So order block. Do we see any breakers? No breakers here. Just mitigation blocks. As premium, I see 4 hour RP. Daily RP, my bad. Rejection block. Okay, that's all really. Then I'm gonna go to my 4 hour. 4-hour chart. Recently went off this 4-hour order block and also this gap in price. While we supported the daily bullish order block and main threshold, while the Nasdaq went off from the daily breaker and is currently bullish. Nasdaq is currently bullish, potentially targeting this 4-hour mitigation block. On ES, we have that obvious liquidity pool. 4-hour, I see this inversed. 4-hour inverse CB. There. This will be 4-hour CB. Okay. Also a breaker actually. So I'll add this breaker. RCB in line with a breaker. Guess we don't need that. Let's just add it. Anyway, okay. That's our target. Discount arrays, this 4-hour inverse CB. Nothing else. Go to the 1-hour chart. Here is a breaker, and looks like price is violating that breaker. I will look for reclaim order block. I want to look for reclaim order block here. 1 hour reclaim. So now we have this discount, or this here, to push price into this premium. Okay, that's my analysis. Let's go to dollars or C now. Okay, have a lot of displacement on 830. Looks like we are targeting that high instead. Our bias was a bullish dollar. So we became bullish because we had this monthly OB. And weekly is bullish. Weekly rejection block here. Looks like we are reacting off that rejection block. Who knows? Here's the rejection block. 7 o'clock. 1 hour still looking bearish. That looks like a breaker for equal lows. 50 minutes time frame. It's hard to try to sell here. I wanna wait until 9:30. I wanna see displacement down. But if price, I want price to either do that or do this. Either one of them I think is still good. Price took this daily rejection block, pushed lower somewhere here, and drives up. But we have yet hit this daily busy, so see, not yet. So the only discount array is down here. I want to see price reacting off this and then continue the weekly expansion and the monthly expansion as well. The only monthly premium is at, well, these upper fair value gap or weekly old highs. If you want high probability trades, you want to wait for price to hit a higher time frame discount like this daily here, and then set up a market maker buy model for us to push price to this old highs. That is for Swissy. Let's see, 1 hour chart. It does look like price wants to reach that high. It can do that as well. It all depends on this gap here. Okay, we're seeing some decline in price. I want to see it touch this gap again, retest it, set up an order block, propulsion, and then we'll write that trend to this equal high. We have two liquidity pools, and the way we analyze where price is going to reach first is to watch the displacement. If 9:30 displacement is that expands, then we will surely hit this high. I'll take that buy. If it rejects hard on 9:30, I'll wait until we retest this gap like this here. If it does that, then I'll enter right into this low. We have two potential, but the highest probability will be for price to reach down here first and then set up market maker buy model the upside. So which means we should not trade Mondays, but since I'm trading it, I want to see price do exactly what I say, or else I'm not gonna trade. Today's news, we only have a medium at 10. You can expect a lot of volatility tomorrow. 8:30, building permits. It should increase ES. We should see an increase in ES tomorrow, 8:30. I want to see price expands on Tuesday, take this high. But I want to analyze what the market does here. I want to see reclaim order block there. Okay, look at that injection of volatility. Price just so eager to push higher. Okay, this breaker's no more. I'm gonna take note of that. Also this rejection block. We also have a CB. What? CB. Go 5 minutes. Looks like price in this candle uses that as a reclaim order block for longs. We're seeing that price action. I don't think we're going down. Okay, on the 5 minute we see, I want to see 9:30, give me an opening. Trade price higher. I will mark this as well. Within that rejection block, we also have a CB right there. I want to see price do this at 9:30. Goes down, up, market maker buy model. We hit this low, higher time frame support. This is Asian range. Took that sell side liquidity. Failed to take this high, this low. That displays really hard, which means there was high concentration of liquidity here. Looks like we are trying to push our price to this liquidity pool. So let's see. I want to trade ES on Tuesday. Swiss. I'm interested in Swiss now. So I'll close it out. God bless. Okay. Close that out. Yep, bullish dollar. Take note that even though we felt take this high, dollar did. So that should be an SMT. There's SMT down there, and price rallied. And we have another SMT. This high. Yep, we have another SMT. This high, perch here, but on USD Swiss, we didn't see price failed to take that high. Okay, see what price does. Does it use this block? I want to enter on an order block. That's all I'm entering on. Let's see some details. Okay, we have SMT at this low. Price is reaching back into this breaker with displacement. Okay, seems to be holding price at this level, at this reclaim order block. We also have a SIBI. Okay, price takes also liquidity, rises. Do we enter off of this? I want to wait until 9:30. Should give me what I need. The scene price. Still half an hour to go before we could see our entry. I'm taking buys. I want to see price rallies in 9:30 and not go below that 9:30 point. Not giving any potential for Judas, showing that this day price just really wants to take buy side liquidity by going above the midnight and 8:30 opening price. Also have the SIBI, big one. Let's see what price do. If we trade above this, we could take that as an entry at 9:30. Time is important. Of course, you can target this high. Do that once we get an entry though. 9:30. Okay. We could also play silver bullet. Silver bullet at 10 here. 11. Okay, there's our timings. Oh, look at that reaction of that breaker within that reclaim order block. This makes a new breaker block. Which is a propulsion. If price hits this, preferably on 930, I want to see price rally, and then start to consolidate near 930. If it does that, I'll enter straight away at this 930. And if we enter that, our risk will be down here. That's just bad RR. Risk to rewards just bad. But if I can take this, that's okay. We do have a breaker right here at this blue block. We could just risk there. This is the breaker. The last up candle before the bearish move, and then up. Using that, we'll have 2-to-1 risk to reward easily. Okay. Do we have an SMT? No. Let's wait. Okay, Win versus SIBI. Looks like there was some accumulation of longs here at this down close candle within the SIBI and rejection block. Okay, we created swing low and a fair value gap. Lots of fair value gap here. What this is a unicorn. And as you all know it, unicorns are extremely powerful. You know what? Let's take it. Yeah, I'll take it. Solely based on that unicorn. I'm entering based off that unicorn. I'll do limit. My stop loss be at this low. This candle's low is at 88369. 88369. I could just use 70 institutional order. Then my entry would be at this fair value gap. at this breaker, just this candle's high. Up close candle high is at 88395. 88395. Risking $100 as usual. Yeah, I like it. I'll take that limit, I guess. Instead, buy limit right here. Yep. Okay, there's my order for USDCHF. Take profit at this high. That is a unicorn. Okay, I'm in. We are trading inside the breaker. Also a propulsion because it hits this down close candle. I'm expecting dynamic moves to the upside using this as propulsion. We have the CB up here. That price failed to reach. We could aim for that. Once price take this high, I can reduce my risk to this mean threshold. I like it that if this manipulation happens at 9:30, but judging from this price action, I'm using 9:30 as our volatility injection for expansion. Look at that. Okay, time to put my stop loss somewhere here now, reducing it. Notice this here is an SMT with this low. DXY took that sell side liquidity, while this was a failure swing. We could go break even actually using that SMT. This is a unicorn model. We love unicorns. And it's also a propulsion block on the higher time frame. I want to see price hitting this at least. If we hit that, then maybe I'll set to here. My stop loss. I'm just waiting. The draw is so obviously that high. I'm holding the full position because it's a 2-to-1. Unless if we have a 3-to-1, then maybe I'll do something about it. Here I'm just going full frontal. Let's see what price does. Yep, look at that dynamic price move. This is due to that propulsion block. Wow. That is so dynamic. We hit 1-to-1 RR. I think, should I reduce? Nah, I'm gonna hold until price close this CB. If we close that, I'll set to break even. Because once price close the CB, we could use that as support. We also have this down close candle, which can be used. This down close candle is connected to this down close candle. So there's institution who reclaim this order block orders in here. This should be a strong down close candle that should hold price. Therefore, if we close the CB, I don't want to see price knocking below this down close candle because this is a reclaim order block. So we have two PD arrays, this CB, this reclaim order block, and also a fair value gap. If we break that, then we could possibly reverse all the way down here. That's why I'm comfortable setting my stop loss at this low, which is also an SMT at this low. Alright, all seems good. We're hitting that buy side liquidity. This is Unicorn. I've never traded Unicorn. Well, I did once, and it was last week. It was very profitable as well, this one. I traded Unicorn on NQ, and now I use it on USDCHF. It works in those two pairs. It works in all market, I guess. We're hitting this equal high, which is Monday's high. Wait, no, that's London session high. If we hit that high right here, this is London session high. And we have 1, 2, so 1 PD array, CB, reclaim order block 2, FEG 3. So we could set our stop loss there. Once this close above, or take this high. Here's a rejection block. Is price reaching for? If it does, there. I'll set my stop loss here at this down close candle because this is a down close candle. It is a reclaim order block, and above that is an FEG, and also inside this CB, inverse CB. I just need price to take this, and I can move my trail stop loss there. And we shouldn't see price crossing all the way, breaking this down close candle. We should complete that market maker buy model. Then tomorrow we'll trade ES. Today we're just gonna trade the dollar. Swissy. How we support price here. Okay. Gonna comfortable putting this here. This is an outside bar, which I really like. 7 seconds, 5, 4. If we close as a bullish candle, that would be really good. Yep. Okay, we trade into this rejection block, expecting some resistance, but we have our first line of defense, which is this inverse CB. Second line of defense is that equal highs into this FEG inducement. Our third and last line of defense is this down close candle reclaim order block, which has institution supporting it. This is a 0.5R in profit. Alright, definitely winning this. And this all happens in under 1 hour, which is really good. It's fast. I entered my trade, I think it was at 9. That is interesting. So maybe in the future I could just trade the 9 AM instead of going until 8:30. Okay, we are trading into this busy, taking out that equal low. We should hold price in this busy and then rise. If we don't, then our last line of defense is this order block. Okay, price seems to be respecting it, taking this as inducement. Pop. A 2R trade. That is also an outside bar, strong outside bar. I love it. Yep, we're winning this anyway. A 2R trade, bro. That is our second line of defense. Price didn't even need to go to our third line of defense. It just rallies because we also have this equal highs. Double top. And then there's also higher time frame high. Okay, gotta remove this rejection block. We are most definitely taking this high. Yep, that high. Let's see what price does. Now, since this in discount, I don't want to see price taking out this low. I'm locking in profits as we go higher. $100 1R position. I love this. We secured our profit of 1R. It's risk-free and yep, love it, love it, love it. Okay, do we get hit? If we get hit, then that's fine. Okay, 1R secured. Here we go. The one price to take this fully. And we could just still go up there. Didn't expect price to go down, take my stop. Yep, it didn't even take my stop. It's because of the spread in price. And this low is also only the first line of defense. This busy is second, down close is third. So price does. I'm still sure that price couldn't hit this. And this down close candle should remain to hold price above. We are closing in at 9:30. I could have secured my 2R, but spread got to me, and I also was too in a hurry of locking in profits. Should I have put my stop loss at this busy or this last line of defense, so that we can see price moving up. So that's a lesson learned. We got out for 1 1 RR. Not bad, I guess. Lesson learned. Okay, I'm gonna see price develop. First line of defense, inverse CB. Second would be this gap, FEG. Last line of defense is this order block. I put my stop loss at this second line of defense, but due to spreads, price took me out of the trade. I didn't consider my spread because I forgot that we are in the 1 minute time frame. If we are trading futures, then we won't encounter this problem. This is our supposedly trailed stop loss, which actually on this down close candle price did not even hit. Okay, see some displacement. Do we get taken out on that trailed stop loss? If we do, then we might just in the future consider putting our stop loss at the last line of defense. Price is engineering liquidity up here. We could just go high, lower and then higher. Let's see. 6 minutes until 9:30. I could have gotten a 2R, but yeah, I got a little hasty. Didn't consider my spreads. Lesson learned. Okay, price is trading into this down close candle. I want to see price holds. Okay, look at that. This is the second line of defense. Fair value gap induces, then goes up as we anticipate. Okay, our trailed stop loss at the second line of defense would result in our trailed stop loss getting taken out. So next time we should use the last line of defense as our trailed stop loss. Yep. Man, that looks beautiful. I appreciate price. I don't care that I only make 1% at this. Gives me knowledge, experience for me to next time put here at the last line of defense. Last line of defense. Look at that. Equal high. I can enter trades right here, but like it's too small. One-to-one RR. Let's do it then. I'm already up, so that should be good. We traded into the second line of defense. Rises, created this equal high. Love it. I'll enter my second position at this buy limit. 88437. 88437. My stop loss is at this candle's low, 88421. $50. Fine. We also have a busy right there. I'll enter it for a 1-to-1. This low is also an SMT of this low. Look at that. Oh wait, never mind. That's not an SMT. But I'm still comfortable taking this. This is a 0.5 R position. I want to see this fair value gap holds, being this is the second line of defense. And should push price higher on 9:30. 2 minutes left. Our orders should be online. Boom, boom, boom. Did we not get hit? I don't think we got hit. We did not get fills at this price. Man. Bid and ask. Bid and ask. Where is it? Can't find it. Okay, we got in, but looks like I don't think price should take this low. Now that we're so close at 9:30, the liquidity pool is right there. And let me get my status line. Remove that. Okay, we're in the market. Just good. Okay, 9:30 is open. Rally. Should take this high. Then I'll aggressively. Oh no. Okay. If we take my stop loss, that's okay. I mean, this looks so obviously. This liquidity pool is in line with the higher time frame as well. And this is also an inverse. There's also the consequent encroachment of this inverse, which lies our stop loss. I'm confident that this will hit, but if it doesn't, that's okay. I can always trade. I can only trade 2 trades a day, so this is my second trade. I'm comfortable taking it because I'm already up 1 hour. Look at that. Okay, I'm taking home profits at this level. Which is this high at 88453. Yep, correct. Go back 1 minute. Do we have SMT? No. But we don't need SMT. This is so strong. This is a turtle soup into a fair value gap. We also have equal high. Oof. That is so powerful. We should take this high. I think price is just consolidating here. We establish a swing low right here, which means this is a intermediate term low, this is a long-term low. I'm comfortable taking my stop here and then ride it all to that up. A beautiful trade. 1 hour and 6 minutes. Okay, price is consolidating so much. If we close on 7654, I'll set my stop loss at this low. 1. Yep. Reducing risk. If we take this high, I'm going break even. Price is engineering a lot of liquidity here. So many liquidity. We most definitely is going to hit this high. I want to see price take this high though. We are consolidating so much. When is news? News at 10. Medium impact. That looks so beautiful. Do we have SMT? Nope. No SMT here, guys. Okay, price take this high. Well, not yet. I want price piercing through it. That is just building up more liquidity. We have 15 seconds. Price is having trouble taking that high. I don't really like it now. We might just take our trail stop loss here. But we do have that double bottom, which price could use as inducement and then rise. Okay, I'm confident with this low now. This low should not break if price wants to take this high. Even though we have this big outside bar, which is a down close, usually price go below, but I'm still bullish. Setup is telling me it wants to go higher. So despite that big outside bar going down, yep, we see this move after an inducement of this double bottom right there. There's a double bottom. This is a swing low, making this an intermediate term low. OTE, push high, push price higher. Okay, if we close price 3, 2, 1, I'll set my stop loss there, because that is the inducement, and we're hitting profit. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, I break even. Hit it. Let's go. This should be a 1% gain. I don't know why the trade did that. Yeah, it automatically set my risk to 50. Oh, because of this. 25% of $1,000. 1% of $1,000 is $10. $10 times 25 is $250. completes with a calm 1.5 hour, completing this market maker buy model stage. Brillante. Okay, that's all for today, guys. See you tomorrow. We are going to trade ES tomorrow. Goodbye and be safe.